How to buy XRP. Open your Binance. I am using the Binance as to buy XRP, and from here press on your balance. Then you can see this kind of interface, funding and spot. So you have to convert your dollar as a spot first. Now go to your spot again and find the XRP. This is the XRP, and if you don't see the XRP, then press on search option and search XRP, this one. And once you go there, then press on this icon, and now press on your amount. For example, I want to buy for 10 USDT, and you need to press on buy, and you have to transfer your dollar to fund to spot. Confirm. Now press on buy again. Fund to. Now press on buy again. Then you can see order is created. Now if you go back to your home screen and press on your balance, go back, then under spot section you can see your XRP is available now. So that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.